How are you all? You are watching this video, that means you have the ability to improve yourself. So let's start with a new topic today, and the name of the topic is coordinate geometry. It looks like a very difficult thing, but it's quite a fundamental and easy thing. Just you need to correlate with some of the studies which you have already studied in your lower classes with that of the higher classes. Right? So are you all ready to start this lesson? So see, what exactly is coordinate geometry? Right. I want you to look at a screen. You'll be able to see. Now, coordinate geometry is a branch of mathematics which is used to locate the position of a point with reference to two mutually perpendicular axes, x-axis which is the horizontal axis and y-axis which is the vertical axis. And the reference point is origin. The reference point is origin. I have written O 0, 0. I'll say what exactly is 0, 0 in bracket. It's called as the ordered pair or the coordinate of a point. Right. So what I'm doing, I'm locating a position with reference to two mutually perpendicular lines. One is the x-axis and one is the y-axis. X-axis is the horizontal axis and y-axis is the vertical axis. Now, if I correlate it with your lower classes, you might have studied a thing called as number line. Now see, I'm drawing a number line. Now a number line is one dimensional. It can move only left or right? So if I draw a number line, if you see carefully, I'm drawing a number line. See carefully that it starts from 0 and moving towards the right, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. And moving towards the left, it becomes -1, -2, -3, -4. Right? So this is how you draw a number line. And number line is used for graphical representation of a single number. But the problem is that I can move only left or right. I cannot move up and down. Right? So you might have seen that suppose I want to mark 2. So I give the mark 2. Suppose I want to mark -2. I give the mark -2. It is done in sky blue color. You all can see. So this is how the number line is somehow related to coordinate geometry. But number line is just one dimensional. I can move just left and right. So suppose we'll go for a two-dimensional motion. Then the point needs to be located, or the coordinate of a point is written in the form of an order pair. Suppose I'll say P, A, comma B. That P is the name of the point and A is the x coordinate, also called as the abscissa, and B is called as the y coordinate, also called as ordinate. So in two dimension, we can move vertical as well as horizontal. First horizontal and then vertical. So the coordinate of a point or the location of a point P will be A, comma B, where P, A, comma B is an ordered pair, A, comma B is an ordered pair. And the first coordinate is called as the x coordinate, which is called as the abscissa. And the second one is called as the y coordinate, that is called as ordinate. So let me draw that two axes. First I have drawn the horizontal axis, which is called as the x-axis. And second one I'm drawing the vertical axis, which is called as the y-axis. If you see carefully, the point of intersection of the two axes is the origin. The right side is positive of x. The left side is negative of x. The portion above origin is positive of y, and the vertical axis below origin is the negative of y. X, x dash and y, y dash. Now see, it is dividing the plane of paper into four quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, the points will be plus, comma, plus. Means x will be plus, y will be plus. The abscissa will be positive and the ordinate will also be positive. Then only it will be there in first quadrant. Similarly, second quadrant minus, comma, minus, third quadrant minus, comma, minus, and fourth quadrant plus, comma, minus. Second quadrant is minus, comma, plus. Right? It's minus, comma, plus. Now see properly, I have already given the names. Once I am moving right to origin, I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am going to the left of origin, I am writing -1, -2, -3. Once I am moving up above origin, I am writing 1, 2, 3. When I am moving below origin, I am writing -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Please concentrate on the figure how I am drawing the coordinates. Right. Now you see properly, I have marked few points. If you will see carefully, first let us go for the point A. The point is 1 unit to the right of origin and 3 units above origin. So the coordinate of the point A will be 1, 3. Similarly, B will be points in a graph paper. If you see the graph paper properly, now the horizontal axis is called as the x-axis and the vertical axis is called as the y-axis. Right? I've already marked 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right side, left side -1, -2. Then above origin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and below origin is -1, -2, -3, -1, -5. So let us plot my first point. The first point of mine is A1, 2. So 1 plus to the right of origin and 2 plus above origin. So the first quadrant, that is why it is positive, positive. Let us go to the second one. Second one, B is -1, 3. B is -1, 3. Like the second quadrant. So X is negative and Y is positive. Let us see the point C. Point C is -2, -3. So from origin 2 places towards left, then 3 places towards down, I'll get -2, -3. So line on third quadrant. So both abscissa as well as ordinate both are negative. So let's go for the next point. D is 4, -2. Now see, I'm moving 4 places to the right of origin and 2 places below origin to reach D. So the coordinate of the point D is 4, -2. You can see on the left to know which all points I'm plotting. So this is a fourth quadrant. So that is why the X is positive and the Y is negative. Now let us see some special points. Suppose E is 2, 0 and F is -3, 0. So you can say one thing, that E and F are lying on x-axis and any point on x-axis will have ordinate 0 or y coordinate 0. So any point on x-axis will be x, 0. Similarly, if I'll say G coordinate is 0, 1 and H coordinate is 0, -4. So you see properly, G and H are lying on y-axis. So any point on y-axis will have abscissa 0 or x coordinate 0. So any point on y-axis will be 0, 5. So these are the basics of coordinate geometry which will help you to plot points and to also to solve some questions graphically, some simultaneous equation graphically. Okay. Thank you for watching. In the next, I'll say how to draw a line in two-dimensional using the knowledge of coordinate geometry. Till then, bye-bye. Stay safe, study properly, enjoy your holidays. Thank you, children.